What if Earth got sucked into a black hole? Space exploration is a fascinating journey. During this journey, the space scientists have explored unbelievable phenomena, hidden secrets, and cosmic objects including galaxies, meteors, volcanoes, storms, dust, meteorites, new planets, countless moons, water, life signs on other planetary objects, and stars. All this has bewildered us and kept us in awe and surprise for over a century now. But this journey has brought us some frightening news, too. The discovery of black holes is not something to cheer about. Rather, the Earth that we live in can get sucked into a black hole one day. If this, the unthinkable, happens, it paints a doomsday scenario in the offing. Even the nature of the origin of black hole sets the alarm bells, since this region of space is formed when stars of cosmic size collapse. When the black hole is formed, its gravity, amongst other things, is so strong to such an extent that neither any particle nor electromagnetic field or light can escape it. So what if Earth gets sucked into a black hole? What if we all got sucked into a black hole? Could Earth orbit the sun and a black hole? Would we survive spaghettification? This video finds answers to these associated questions that are most significant. Let us dive deep and stay tuned with us till the end. A black hole is at a distance of 3,000 light years from Earth and is visible to the naked human eye. What is scarier is the fact that there are countless black holes in the universe. Our galaxy is a Milky Way alone and is home to approximately 100 million black holes. Just imagine, black holes are the remains of supernovae, which occur when stars as big as 10 to 20 times more than our sun collide with themselves. Amongst them, the stellar black holes are fairly common, whose diameter is approximately 16 kilometers. These have a diameter nearly the size of our solar system and a mass greater than 1 million suns combined. But as of now, the good news is the Earth lies at a cosmic distance from the black hole, say Sagittarius A. This is a safe distance from these cosmic heavenly objects. It is right in the middle of the Milky Way. What if Earth gets sucked into a black hole? Space scientists paint a horrific scene, literally so. Let us detail how. Even before the Earth and all the human beings got sucked into a black hole at a somewhat close distance to it would do an unthinkable catastrophe. Scientists claim a black hole the size of a 1-millimeter pin could destroy the Earth dwellers if it was close enough to Earth. Black holes have an unbelievable mass with the extreme nature of gravitational pull. But our survival all depends on whether we've surpassed the event horizon or not. In all likelihood, if this unthinkable happens, you can think it will be a point of no return. Escape of the Earth, and thus ours, will be unthinkable, since we need to travel faster than light to survive and escape our doomsday. Good luck with that. If Earth got close enough to a black hole, the side nearest to the black hole would begin stretching toward it. Our atmosphere would start to vacuum up. Bigger parts of the Earth would start to fall into the orbit of the black hole. We would experience tidal heating. The gravitational pull will be stronger and uneven on the Earth, and it will deform it continuously. This will put in motion an incredible size of internal friction that will heat the core of the Earth to an unthinkable level. It will not stop until it reaches an inconceivable limit. More disastrous things would happen. In all likelihood, it would give rise to earth-shattering earthquakes, volcanoes, and deadly tsunamis, the trifecta of doom. Slowly, or speedily, Earth would begin to stretch in a process known as spaghettification. Literally, the Earth will get sucked into the black hole just because of the tidal effect that will be the cause of the stronger gravitational field. This experience of spaghettification literally means no survival for the Earth and its dwellers. Yes, the black hole can devour us all one day if this unthinkable thing happens. In dreams alone, our comic heroes like Spider-Man, Hulk, Doctor Strange, Wolverine, Captain America, and Batman can fight a black hole, but they need to be elastic enough since black holes suck and sucks dearly. Our space scientists say that a balanced-sized stellar black hole can be at a distance of 100 kilometers from the event horizon. However, for a mammoth-sized black hole, that can even happen inside the event horizon just because of its cosmic size. Nevertheless, irrespective of the size, anything like Earth that enters the black hole would be ripped into a string of individual atoms. This would be experienced by anything that crosses the black hole, whether it be the Earth, people, other planets, the sun, meteors, meteorites, or anything. The bottom line is, the entire solar system in such eventuality will be doomed. The balance that is kept by the forces of nature amongst the sun, planets, moon, and Earth will cease, and these heavenly bodies will crumble, sending them crashing into one another. And to add insult to injury, our asteroid belt would be sucked toward us, and we know there are 200 of the total 552,894 asteroids that exceed 100 kilometers across. It means that if one of them should hit us, it would result in a doomsday scenario for all of us. We would be dead well before we turn into spaghetti. With this scenario, it will set in motion the fact that our solar system will join the accretion disk around the black hole. With the Earth getting sucked into the black hole, an incredible size of lethal radiation would follow. And if by chance we survived all the asteroids, radiation is a standing threat to our life. Moreover, it shakes our belief, but astronomers have discovered very rare circumbinary planets that orbit two stars. While this may be a possibility with a black hole and our sun, the extreme tidal forces would most likely make our planet uninhabitable. What is the worst scenario of all? That we would get kicked out of orbit? We can either be swallowed by the sun or the black hole eventually. Unfortunately, we have no reasonable chance of survival. Not a winning outcome can be expected if the Earth were to ever get sucked into a black hole. After all, what is the ideal? An unrealistic chance of survival thus far? There may be the possibility to protect ourselves in some hyper-reinforced space shuttle. If we somehow made it past the event horizon, we might be in for an even stranger time. The principles of physics that we have known so far will have changed. Most essential things such as gravity, light speed, and the nature of atoms to bind, make bonds, and react would all undergo a change. In the end, we have a terrible future should the Earth get sucked into a black hole. The Earth and us, the human beings, have no or scant chance of existence. This phenomenon of being sucked into a black hole is going to really suck. If the Earth gets sucked, every part of it would collapse. We are all destined to get pulled into the black hole. Catastrophic gravitational pull, electromagnetic fields, and the imminent chance of gigantic friction leave us with no chance of survival. The Earth will stop to orbit the Sun. It cannot orbit with shattered pieces, and likewise there is no chance of the Earth to orbit a black hole. We cannot survive the spaghettification either, with a gravity so stern and strong that neither any particle nor electromagnetic nor light can escape it. How will the Earth and the people find a secure escape with the present gravity? It is $1 million question. This brings forth other questions of whether there will be another universe being formed in the wake of Earth getting sucked into the black hole, or will we be pulled into another dimension? Nothing is known for sure. What we can do is pray the unthinkable does not happen, and expect the black hole to stay far away, millions of light years from now. Because there are millions of black holes, and if the Earth gets sucked into one of them, it poses an imminent danger for the Earth and all life upon it. For more such exciting videos on exploring space, reporting the space explosions, newly revealed realities and phenomena of our solar system, latest discoveries, and space research, like our channel and never forget to press the subscribe button. We have more episodes of this What If for you in the queue.